Hey y'all, welcome back. We back again. Now this time we're doing the cooking vlog. Yes, sir.
Tell them what we cooking.
We're making kebabs. I never made them before. Have you?
Nope. First time ever.
All right. So wish us luck. We're gonna clue some clips in and show y'all how we make the food, and we're gonna do a taste test on camera too. So stay tuned. Alright, so we're back. We're just checking in now. Tim, how's it going over here?
I got the chicken all minced up, and then I'm about to go to the steak after this.
Alright.
How your side going?
Now me? I did some stuff. So I'm just working on cutting the pepper. Let me see if I can get this in so y'all can see me cutting the pepper up. I don't know what I'm doing, but let's try. Oh yeah.
Oh.
Alright, here we go.
Let me get them in on this action real quick. Okay. You want your thumb? Oh my god.
Oh, I'm just joking. Alright, so we got orange peppers, red peppers, and onions to put on the kebabs. So let's see how this goes. Thank you.
You're welcome.
This is me and Tim's Valentine's Day dinner, by the way. Can't remember if I told y'all or not. Okay, so orange peppers are done. I'll be back once the red peppers finish. Okay, so now Tim's cleaning the steak off. I just got done slicing up the bell peppers or whatever. Gotta do the onions still.
Chicken is all seasoned and cut up.
So Tim, you want to tell them what you use to season the chicken?
I gladly will. Seasoned salt, pepper, a little bit of garlic salt, a little bit of onion powder, and a little bit of barbecue stuff Deja had in her cabinet. So yeah, this I grabbed by accident. It's nothing. But yeah.
So you feel like it's seasoned enough?
I do. I seasoned it, mixed it all together, seasoned it again, because I know how you are.
Alright. Y'all, I know I'm not weird. I know I'm not the only person that, like, it bothers them. You know when your meat still tastes like meat? If that makes sense? Like, the chicken still tastes like chicken. Or fish still tastes like fish. You don't have that seasoning to it.
Yeah, it's supposed to taste like the seasoning.
Exactly.
I got that from her, by the way.
But yeah, so Tim just seasoned the chicken. You about to season the steak?
Yes, I am.
Okay, and I'm gonna cut up the onions, and we'll be back. I don't even know what I'm doing as far as these onions. Ooh, the camera's still on.
All right, y'all. It's another update. Deja, what you got going?
I'm sorry. I'm deveining the shrimp because you know what, y'all, please quit saying deveined on the bag if it ain't deveined, okay? There still be veins underneath there.
Yes. But
yeah, anyways, I'm cleaning and deveining the shrimp right now.
Whatever brand sells shrimp, stop the cap. Stop it. Tell them to stop it.
Stop it.
Thank you. Then you got all the peppers. All of them cut up with the onions. All of them cut up. And then me over here. Got the chicken and the steak ready and seasoned. Yeah, she's working on the shrimp.
We're almost there, y'all.
Almost. You almost got it.
Okay, so everything's done. I just got done cleaning the shrimp, cooking the shrimp. Got the onions and peppers over here. The chicken and steak. Got the grill going. So now we're just going to start putting everything on the skewers, and we'll take y'all with us. Alright, so we got getting our skewers together.
I'll take two.
Tim wants to do the big ones. I'm going to do the small ones right now. So I know y'all heard us. We got the peppers, the onions, shrimp, steak, and chicken. So we ready.
Alright. Going in whatever order we want?
Yeah.
Okay, bet. Let's go. I think I'm gonna go like meat, veggie meat. Wait, who's fitting the grill? Oh yeah, definitely.
Oh, I dropped the pepper. I leave it.
Man, ball it.
Y'all, everything smells so good. It's not even cooking yet.
For real.
So I'm excited. Anybody know me? Know I love food. I love to eat. So.
Well, I already broke my rule.
What?
So I'll do veggie then.
Oh.
There we go. Fly, I know so fly. Oh wait, I think singing it can get you copyrighted too.
You like that song, y'all?
It's like catchy, man. Gucci Mane with that coat, killing it, bro.
So.
I know super fly.
My first one's done.
Okay.
Oh! I'm so excited.
That looked good already. I'm scared I'm gonna snap myself. I'm trying to move slow.
Yeah. I wouldn't even think about that. That's horrible, huh?
Excited.
I put them boys in there.
Yeah. So one of mine as well. I'll get us a separate place so we can sit them on there too.
Comment what y'all use for y'all kebabs. Maybe we'll make a video trying that recipe too.
Oh, it's a good idea.
So just let us know. Me and Tim, we trying to get on our cooking more at home type of thing.
Yeah.
Cause eat too much restaurant.
And it's healthier too.
Yeah.
All like McDonald's and all that other stuff, you know.
Yeah. I used to like cooking, but y'all, I lost my drive, honestly. Like, but I'm gonna get back to it.
Yeah, the more we do this, the more it helps my drive too.
Yeah.
The homemade is always like better.
Yeah. Okay, another thing. I know I couldn't be the only person that like get real sleepy after eating restaurant food, but it's a lot different with home meals. Like I don't be as tired. I just got my onion. But yeah, I don't be as tired.
Me and Asia started like theorizing like they be putting something in there to make it sleepy. Man.
Something.
That is true though. Like I don't go into like a food coma.
Yeah.
It's like homemade.
Like I can still function after eating home cooked food, but with other stuff, nah.
I'll be ready to go straight to bed.
Y'all don't understand.
Man.
I'm so excited about this. I keep breaking my onions,
I keep breaking
dropping my onions, all that. Dude.
The pepper's breaking?
The onions, man. What is this? What is this?
Ow.
Tim, come on. Yeah, y'all. We're going to speed this up.
Yeah.
Because we got to sit here and watch all this. We just wanted to show y'all how we do stuff, you know?
If we get to 1 million subscribers in 5 days, I'll eat this whole thing raw right here.
Ew, dude. That's sick when it happens. Oh my gosh.
The way the internet works now and how childish people are, that's scary. That's a possibility. Hey, y'all, share this.
Man.
So they eat this raw meat. Hey, should we bring up the dude on Facebook Live?
No, I knew you had to say that. No,
Okay, man.
Tripping though, for real.
Oh. Stop reading my mind. We're saying the same thing.
We do this all day, literally. That's what we be around each other too much or something.
Yeah. We finishing each other's. Never mind. You did that on purpose?
What?
I said we'd be finishing each other's.
And what'd I do?
You're supposed to say sentences.
Oh, I was gonna, but I didn't. No, I was trying to let you finish your sentence.
Dude, wow, you were too polite.
It's crazy. We finish each other's sandwiches.
That's what I was gonna say. Come on with it.
Alright, y'all. We'll be back when we put them on the grill. Alright. So we're finishing up after about, how long did it take us?
About 15 minutes?
Yeah, about 10-15 minutes. Here's Timmy.
Finishing up the last one with the pieces I have.
Making the last cup, well, one kebab, yeah. And here is a stack of kebabs we're gonna put on the grill pretty soon. So I'm just gonna talk to y'all. You know, so how's everyone doing? I hope everyone's doing great. I hope times are getting easier, you know, since this weird time and stuff with this pandemic and everything. But, you know, I hope everyone is still taking care of themselves, taking care of their family members, you know, keeping in touch with everybody. And, you know, just, yeah, self-care. Self-care. That's the goal.
Yeah, that mental health, especially right now, is important.
Very, very.
Like you just said, it's going to be very weird times, so it's good to make sure that you yourself are doing good.
Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Alright, so Timmy's just rinsing his hands off and everything. And we're going to throw these kebabs on the grill.
You ready?
Yeah.
You want me to do it?
I'm gonna do a couple.
Long ways.
Ooh, I know y'all hear that sizzle.
I can smell it already.
Y'all, it smells so good, y'all. Oh my God. You want a bite?
Hey man, this is about to turn into an ASMR mukbang.
Yeah.
About to be real quiet and eat in a minute, y'all.
Y'all.
Shoot, I'm so sorry.
Okay.
Bumpy.
Alright, so that's all we can fit on there for now. And these are the other few that we're going to put on there soon. So yeah. So just put the lid on and everything. So we're waiting on those to cook. And we will be back. Come on, and it smells so good, y'all. So good. So this is it's been cooking probably not even 5 minutes actually. We're just too excited. But we'll show y'all when everything's done. Woo! Look at that. Juiciness. Alright.
To be honest with y'all, the camera don't do it justice. Look, it smells so good.
Look at the juice. Whoop. There we go.
Yeah. Tell them what
Me's
you told
starting to
me
get
about,
that crispy look on there. What's that?
Tell them what you told me about like more colorful foods.
Oh yeah, so I had saw this article a while ago and it said you'll be more willing to eat your food if it's colorful. So when you're cooking a meal, just think of all the different colors and it's more than likely, you know, like healthier for you. You'll be more willing to like eat at home and cook more, I guess. Which makes sense, you know, making it fun to eat. Cause I get, sometimes, it depends. Everything but chicken, I get tired of eating back to back. So.
Yeah.
What about you, Tim?
Yeah.
You tired of eating the same foods?
Yeah, like a little switch up. Some people be like, I can eat pizza, I can eat chicken, I can do this every day. I feel like that's not true. I don't know.
Well, I can't eat chicken and seafood every day. But
Okay, chicken and seafood. That's
I just
fair.
I wouldn't mind, like, you know, learning more dishes to cook. So, yeah. Try this out. And then another thing with me, another issue I have is I'm lactose tolerant. So a lot of good stuff I can't eat.
It's very
Everything
limited.
with butter and milk I can't.
Yeah.
Dude, camera. I'm gonna charge the camera, y'all.
See y'all in a minute.
Alright, y'all. Alright, they're about done. We're gonna put them in the oven too while the other ones cook. So yeah. So to me just put them into this little glass pan. Then
make sure your arm didn't touch it. You got a white hoodie on.
So yeah, we're gonna do this. We still have a lot more to go.
Yeah.
Over here that we have to cook. So we'll catch y'all when that's done. Okay, y'all. So this is the ending of it. I'm sorry, I'm tired. It's late now, but we got the kebabs. We put them in the oven for a little while. The meat and everything is still pretty moist and everything. Steak real tender. I'm gonna put that A1 on mine because you know me. And I got my, don't even judge me. People always saying, you're so weird with combinations. I got my VA strawberry banana. Tim, don't do that. You want to tell them bye, Tim?
Tell them goodbye?
Yeah.
Yeah, y'all, we about to smash on this food and then pass out. So, I hope y'all
Come
like
on,
this
join me.
tutorial we gave.
Join me over here.
We hope you like this tutorial we gave
Yes.
on how to make probably the world's best kebabs. I've never seen none that's better.
Y'all, this looks so good.
Yeah.
The steak and everything is still so tender. I'm just ready to put the steak sauce on there.
Yes, I wish we could share it with y'all, but it probably ain't gonna be nothing left. It looked really good.
Okay, but good night. We're ending our Valentine. We're gonna pick up on the rest of our Valentine's Day stuff tomorrow. We might record some stuff, but yeah. So good night, y'all.
Good night, you guys. Bye.
Bye.
Watch your thumb. Oh my god.
Oh, I'm
Yeah,
just joking.